Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're especially welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more content on digital skills, certification, and career growth. Now, let's be honest. We all use computers, phones, and apps every day. But how confident are you really with your digital skills? That's where the IC3 certification comes in. So, whether you are a student, a professional, or just trying to stay relevant in today's digital world, this is your starting point to becoming digitally confident, not just digitally present. So, now here's what makes the GS6 different and honestly better. So, I just want you to listen while I explain. First of all, let's use this a tiered difficulty, meaning each level its own certification. Second, we've got three clear levels covering all digital domains. So the first level will look at digital literacy foundation. The second level will take us to intermediate digital literacy knowledge. Then the third will look at mastery of digital skills. So the objective domains have been refreshed to align with today's ever-changing technology, including cloud-based and mobile applications. The onset of COVID, companies had to move to the cloud. So we will delve deeper into this topic as we look at the IC3 GS6 standard. And the best part is you can start at the level that matches your current ability. So please, don't be worried about it. So I'll need you to think of it like a journey, not a test, okay? So our first step will be to look at building your foundation. That is, you getting to know stuff, okay? Then the second step will also look at strengthening your knowledge. Then the third step will look at mastery of your skills. And each step builds your confidence and prepares you for real world opportunities. So it's not just theory, it's practical. And the objective here is to make you confident and efficient at what you do with the computers for your work. So here's the next step. I'll need you to take a quick assessment, okay? So head over to this website, ic3demo.starttest.com. Just check yourself out. And if you are not sure where to start, I'll need you to get in touch with me for a free consultation. Then I'll definitely guide you on the right level, the best learning path, and how to get certified with confidence. Let's take your digital skills to the next level. Hoping to hear from you. See ya. Bye. God bless.